Hiya Nutters! Today will be a little different because I wanted to show you how this art journal. I made it some time ago and the cover is made from painted old sheets that are ripped apart. I embroidered them together and then I went crazy over it with my sewing machine. I made it the same way as a reusable book cover, so you can take it off and then use it for another journal. Not that I'm going to do that, but I could. The real cover of this journal is made from the hardcover of a magazine, and then I put in one signature. All the pages are reused papers. Pages from a music book from back in the days when I was learning how to play a flute. I used tracing paper, brown paper, colorful pages from a magazine, some dyed cloth. Some papers are sewn together and on others I put a tag. Back then, when I created it the first time, I wasn't really used to making pages yet and I put in a lot of ugly stuff. But I loved the cover so much and I always thought it needed a better inside. So a couple of weeks ago I started back on the pages and slowly filled them, and I used pencils, markers, acrylic pens and scraps of painted papers. I'm pretty happy with it and I like to have a look in it. That's why I like art journals and junk journals so much. They give you a happy moment when you create them, but they also do the trick when you are ready. And I like the fact that it's made all of junk, stuff I normally would have thrown in the bin. How cool is that? Well, that's it for today, and a big hug from me and bye bye for now.